So to find an inverse of the function f of x equals 5 minus 3x over x minus 6, you go through the same steps that we talked about, and that is first change f of x to y. After that, swap all your x's and your y's out. Clear the fractions, because you're now trying to solve for a variable, so clear out your fractions. And get rid of parentheses, just like you would solving any equation. So we have xy minus 6x equals 5 minus 3y. Since we have two different y's in this equation and they're on opposite sides of the equals, we'll want to collect them all on one side, and anything that doesn't have a y in it, move it to the other side. So I'm going to subtract or add 3y and add 6x. So I'll bring it back up here. I have xy plus 3y equals 5 plus 6x. Those canceled, those canceled. Usually my next step is to divide, but I can't divide yet because I have an addition problem. And I still have two y's. So what I'm going to do is factor out the y and create a multiplication problem. Oops, that should be a 6x. Once you've created the multiplication problem, then you can divide off both sides by x plus 3. Alright, so when I finish, this is going to be y equals 5 plus 6x over x plus 3. And then as a final step, you can rename y f inverse of x. And then that's your fraction. And then you can talk about the domain of f being the range of f inverse, and the domain of f inverse being the range of f, and finding the answers that way. But I think in this one you just needed to find the inverse function.